Nothing will be the same again. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see as the title, things are never going to be the same again. And you're probably wondering, what do I mean? Your boy got his camera today. So we about to do a little unboxing. You see that? Sony. That good camera. It wasn't cheap, so better do its job. So I'm gonna set y'all up. What keeps doing? Alright, y'all. So we're about to do some unboxing. And I ordered the white one. And on the box, it shows black. I really wanted the white one, but if it's the black one, I'm really hoping it's just the box. But God, I really hope it's the white one, because I just can't. Alright. Here it is. Here it is. So we have a booklet. What is this? Limited warranty for 1 year? Sony Electronics is solely for purchase made in the United States, and Sony of Canada solely for purchases made in for a time period set for So do I have warranty or not? Like, I have warranty because I paid for it. But if I knew it was gonna come with it, because what did I say? Limited warranty. Okay. $90 days. Okay. Y'all should know who that is. Did you forget your slogan from Barbados? What was your slogan from Barbados? That's hot.
That's hot.
Just say again. It's hot. What's gonna be your catchphrase today? Hot. And receive a free 90-day extension of the limited warranty if you register within 30 days of the purchase. So I'm guessing it already came with one to begin with, y'all. So I'm definitely gonna see what that's about. All these pamphlets, damn. I got a reference guide. I just need the one that shows me how to work it, and then we good. Accessories. Accessory product webpage. Y'all think I'm lying? There's like 1,000 brochures in here. It's giving I just got scammed. Let me know. This is a language I can't even understand. Digital camera. All right, y'all, we are at it's time. What's this? Please read the startup guide for details. Refer to the help guide. wherever that is. All right, y'all. So here's what's in the box so far. So excited. Okay, we have some type of charger. I like how you really blend into the. I didn't even know you were behind it. I was just like, I see her, but on camera, it looked like nothing was there. So I guess this is the camera charger. Ooh. I don't know what's in here. There's no label or anything. SD card?
The mic.
Oh, I think you're right. Because the thing on top, so maybe. Back when I don't label it, I guess I have to go through that eventually. Because look, that might be a mic in truth. I don't know. I see them have it on top. If y'all know what this is, this little, because a lot of them, I see a lot of YouTubers have them on top, but I don't know what it is. So. This is the battery, I'm guessing. They package this thing nice. Feel this. That good. Hello. Hello. Y'all asked me what I got for Black Friday. This was my Black Friday gift. Okay. Okay. And the moment we were all waiting for, can we give her a little round of applause? I hope this shit has. I hope this shit is charged. Look at this, y'all. Ooh.
Oh, it looks fresh. I see you.
All right, so I'm pressing the on and off now. Let's see what happens. Is it gonna turn on?
You didn't even take out a lens cover.
If this is dead, I promise you. Oh.
They not supposed. The battery might be.
Oh.
I swear.
Ghetto. Alright, so she's had the battery. Okay.
It's crazy.
Not too much. All right, the battery is in there. Now let's try this again, shall we? Ooh! Ooh! Ghetto! Touchscreen, hold on. Certain features on this camera may involve the use of biometric data. You're responsible for your collection and use of such data in compliance with applicable local law. For your details, please visit the site below. Connect smartphone. Connect your smartphone via Bluetooth and set up your camera's initial settings. Oh, hold on, y'all. I might need to connect my phone real quick. Install and launch the app on your smartphone. Ooh, creators app. Okay, period. Y'all see that? I don't know why I didn't flip this. I could just flip it to show you, but. Oh, you know how you did be like, say make a focus. Oh.
Focus?
A little bit. Yeah. Oh, don't be making sounds. All right, so I'm gonna download this app and I'm gonna get back to you. Well, y'all, I was gonna show y'all the difference, but it needs a memory card. So when I get home, I'm probably gonna try one of my old ones, and then I'll try to put a side by side to show you the difference. But yeah, your boy is official. Y'all see that? Ooh. I have to know where to put the little muffle thing. We're gonna figure that out. On the camera. Ooh. Okay, focus. All right. But yeah, I'm so excited.